Hello and welcome to a new video on Power BI. Here I will show you how you can download and install the newest Power BI version from the internet or from the Power BI site. So here I am in the Google, and over here I will simply say download. I would say download here, download Power BI. So once we do that, the very first link itself is the download link, right? So over here you have like a couple of options, and Power BI Desktop is the free version or the free software that you have. So you will click on the download. Once you click on the download, it will say Power BI wants to open up this application. Always allow, open. Okay, so it is basically opening the Microsoft Store from my system. So if you have the Microsoft Store, then you can simply go and install this. Otherwise, it will show you the download option or the download page over here. But from here also, as you can see, you can download. So we will click on install and it will going to install it. So this is one of the easiest way through which you can install in the latest version of the Windows, like Windows 10 and all. You will going to get the Microsoft Store, through which, as you can see, it has start installing it. So we'll just wait for a couple of minutes and it will be done installation. And after that, I will show you that how you can install, how you can open up and view its interface. Now the installation has been done, so we can launch it. So let's click on launch. Just clicked. Let me click it again. And as you can see, some processing is happening and the Power BI is launching. So the very first time, you can see that it may take a couple of seconds, but once you are opening it pretty much on a daily basis, then I think it will not going to take this much time. Okay, so here is this interface, and it is showing me the previously created my files, which I have created with the previous versions. And you can cross this or you can get started from here. On the right side, you have a couple of links, what's new, Power BI blog, forums, tutorials, and everything. So with that, you can launch your Power BI and start doing the business intelligence. So that's mainly I wanted to show you. Now I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.